Hi, this cat is called Simple Calculator. What do we have to do? Well, we have to build a calculator to add up, subtract, multiply, and divide. But note, if the variables are not numbers or the sign does not belong to the list above, a message unknown value must be returned. Well, let's start. We start off with the first test case. What do we have to check out? Well, whether the operator is equal to a plus sign with a double equal sign. Yeah, that is true. So if this condition is met, we return x plus y. Yeah, that is 8. On to the next. In the same fashion, if the operator is a minus sign, we subtract. Yeah, then this one. If we're dealing with a multiplication operator, we multiply. Yeah, and then this one. Division. Well, let's divide here. Working as designed. Then the unknown value in all lowercase. Then we have to check the following, whether the operator is not in this list of adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing. So if this condition is met, we can return unknown value. What happens when we put in some garbage here? 1, for example. Then we have to check the following, whether the type of x is not equal to integer. It should return true. There we have a problem. Can only concatenate string, not integer to string. Yeah, that is the exact problem. Let's comment this out. Yeah, true. So if this is met, we are not dealing with an integer type, then we return unknown value as well. And the same applies for y. If the type of y is not equal to integer, we return unknown value. And we can make elif statements of this if statements here. Only if this if statements return false, it will evaluate this statements, the elif statements. Yeah, that should be it. Well, let's test it out in the interpreter. Attempt. There we have a problem. Oh, it's a failure of me. Unknown value. Shame on me, I can't spell. Attempt. Well, you see type error here. It requires string as left operand, not integer. So that basically means that we have to check out the types of x and y first. So we place it to the top. Only if condition 1 and condition 2 is met, it should check out this condition. So we can change that up to an error statement as well. And let's attempt again. There we have another problem. Oh, I see. So if the type of the operator is equal, or better said, is not equal to a string type, then we return unknown value as well. That is being meant here. Type error requires string as left operand. The operator is apparently not a string, so it can't check out whether the operator is in this string because we are dealing with an other type than a string. So we filter it out in this condition. If the operator is not a string, we return unknown value right away. Well, let's attempt it again. And there we go. Passed all of the tests. I hope this has been useful, that you learned something from it. I enjoyed this one, and I hope you did as well. Hope to see you in the next video. Ciao.